Hello guys, I will show you this Miyuki beaded cat pattern how to make. To make it, I will use big stitch pattern, big stitch technique. To make it, we need a needle, bead needle. Number is 16 and yarn. I will use this yarn and beads. I start here, this row, taking a cream bead and a turquoise bead. Going through in this bead, white, cream, and this bead, and again this bead, cream. And again in this bead. Take a cream bead, passing through in this bead. And again cream take. Take a cream. Cream. Passing through in this bead. And one. Take a cream bead and passing through in this bead. This row is finished. Take a 2 cream bead. I will here decrease, stitching second place here. You see my yarn is here. I am stitching second place here. Passing through in this 2 bead one time and passing through in this cream bead, 1 cream bead. My yarn is here. Pull the yarn here and place and decreased. Take a pink, one pink, stitching next place. Take a 1 pink bead and stitching next place here. Take a cream, stitch next place, passing through in this bead. Take a cream, stitch here, next place, and passing through in this bead and placed. Turning. Here I am increasing here. Şuradayım. Take a 2 bead, cream bead, stitch here. I am increasing here and stitch it first place and passing through in this bead and placed. Take a 1 pink bead, stitch here. Take a black bead, stitch here, next place, and passing through in this black bead. Take a pink here. Take a cream bead, stitch here. Take a cream, stitch here. You see, I am increasing it here and passing through in this bead and increased, turning like that. Take a cream and turquoise bead, increasing here, stitching first place here, passing through in this turquoise bead and cream, take, stitch here, next place, passing through in this bead, take a pink, stitch here, take a pink, stitch here, take a cream, stitch here, take a cream and stitch here. This row is finished and decrease, turning. Take it to cream bead, decreasing, stitching second place here, passing through in this 2 bead, one more in this cream bead, passing through and placed, pull the yarn and placed. Take a cream, stitch here, take a cream, stitch here, take a turquoise, stitch here, take a turquoise, stitch here, take a cream and stitch here. Passing through in this bead and increasing here. Turning. Take it to cream bead. Stitch first place and increasing here. 2. Take a cream, stitch here, cream, cream, one part is finished and passing through in these beads, and I am coming here in this bead, or in this bead I can. Like that. I am here in this bead. Same process I will do this side. Take a 2 cream bead, decreasing here, stitching second place, passing through in this 2 bead. Like that. I am doing this row. Take a 1 pink, take a 1 pink bead, finished. Passing through in this few beads and finished. Now I will take off these rings on it. That's all. Thank you for watching.